Hey guys, thanks for coming to this video. So today I wanted to show you guys how I do my like $5 nails. They're so easy, so simple. They're everywhere. You can get them at Walmart, Target, Walgreens, Rite Aid, all those places. If you are like me and you just don't have time, this is what I do. So if you guys want to see what I do to do my nails, let's get into it. So if you are like me, where you just don't have time or the money to go get your nails done, then I would suggest trying this. I love doing this. I've been doing it for a long time. I used to do it years ago and then I kind of stopped, and then now since I've been filming videos, I was like, I need my nails looking good. I don't have time to go get my nails done like ever, because I have 4 kids, and I don't know about you, but if you have 4 kids, you know what I'm talking about. You don't just get time to yourself to just go get your nails done whenever you want. So it's expensive to get your nails done, and it takes a lot of time and upkeep, and I swear every time I get my nails done at a salon, even if it's gel, it just chips like 2 days later. So it's not worth it for me. I find all these really pretty nails. These ones are actually from Amazon, so I'll link them below, but a lot of brands have them at the drugstore that are, I think I love the Kiss brand. I think that's the brand I usually use. They have all these different ones. They have long ones, shorter ones. They have stiletto shapes. They have the coffin shapes. They have even matte colors, which I think looks really expensive. Like, it does not look like you're wearing a cheap pair of glue-on nails, but that's what they are. So I'm going to show you guys how I put these on and the little kind of tips that I've learned along the way that makes it a little easier. So these ones actually come with these little like press-on sticky things. I don't like these. I don't think they last long enough. If you're only wanting them like for one night, these would be great, but I don't like these. So these are the ones that I get. They're so pretty. I love the little jewel detail, and I just think they look way more expensive than they are. And I think these ones are like $7. These do not come with glue or a nail file. The Kiss brand ones do come with a little glue in there and a nail file, so that's all in the kit. I just have my little nail file and I have my little glue. This one is Ardell brand, but you can get whatever brand you have or whatever comes with your nails if you get some. What's nice about these is like they're already matched up, so you don't have to try too hard to find the match. When they're in a box, it's kind of harder, and they sometimes have the number of the size on there. Just go ahead and take a few minutes, figure out what size is the best, and you want to just like make sure it just fits really nice. It covers your whole nail. Make sure it's not too small. I just find them all and line them up first. Okay, so now that I have them all laid out for each hand, I do like to work on a paper towel in case you drip anything, and have an extra paper towel to wipe off any drips on your finger. So one thing I do that I've noticed really helps get these nails stuck on there is putting glue on your nail and on the back of the natural nail. These are not natural. On the fake nail. So you're doing 2 layers of glue. Ever since I started doing that, I noticed they stayed on a lot longer. I can get these nails to stay on for 3 weeks. I think that's crazy. I will put the glue on a thin layer. Like, you don't want it dripping off, but just coat your whole nail. Kind of rub it all over there. Make sure you just get it all over, because you don't want any area that there's no glue, but make sure you're not dumping it on. Then I'll take the fake nail and go like where my natural nail is gonna lay in there, so not all the way up, but just kind of do the same thing so you have 2 layers. Also, when they're more see-through like this, get a little bit extra glue on there, because if you get an air bubble in there, you're gonna see it. It's gonna be like this little white circle inside, so that's not cute. Also, when you're doing this with lighter nails that you're gonna see through, I don't press really hard, because when you press really hard, the second you let go, it's gonna lift a tiny bit and you're gonna get air bubbles in there. So what I like to do is make sure you got enough glue on there and just very gently set the nail down and just kind of press it lightly and just hold. Like, you don't want to squeeze any excess glue out. You want the glue to just kind of just be in there so it's all one shade of pink in there and you don't have any like little white bubbles. I used to get these little white bubbles all the time and it was so annoying, and I would just try to press really hard and hold it till it dried. But for some reason, even if you think it's dry, the second you let go, it's like little air bubbles creep in there. So I think that one turned out good. Just let it sit for a few seconds while you're pressing it. Make sure it's on pretty straight. So then that one is on. Moving on to the next. See, this one I got a little bit of glue on the side, so you just take your paper towel and just wipe that off. But when I'm not filming this, it takes me like 5 to 10 minutes. Also, every time I go into like a Target or something, I have to run over to the nail section and see what they have, because they do have a lot of cute ones, but sometimes it's just hit and miss. Sometimes they have a lot of styles that I don't really care for, so I kind of like to find them when I can and stock up on them. So I'm not, you know, like trying to search for nails that I like. I just have them. Okay, the first hand is done. And I mean, it just makes me feel like I am polished and put together and like I have my life together when I have nails on. Like, I don't like being without nails. I feel like it just looks like I'm not there. I didn't, you know what I mean? Like, there's nothing wrong with not having nail polish or nails, but for me, I just like having nails. I don't know. Does anyone else need nails in their life? Do you feel like naked without them? I think especially because my natural nails like don't grow that long, like they're not that strong. I feel like naked without them. Like, I'm like, don't look at my nails. And then I'm like, oh, look at my nails. Let's do this hand really quick. Okay, so now that I have the nails on, you just take a nail file and file the edges if there's like any left over from that little tab, because that does not look good. It does not look like expensive nails when it has like this little plastic tab thing on there. So I just go and file it down. Make sure it all looks nice. Alright, so now my nails are done. I think they look so good. I love the like like ombre kind of French tip. It just looks really nice, and I love the jewels. Like if you wanted to go get this done at a salon, this kind of look, I'm sure it'd be like 60, 80, 100 and up. Like I don't know, but I know adding a lot of jewels is expensive and doing a kind of ombre look is expensive. So $7 and you get this beautiful look at home in just a few minutes. I'm obsessed with doing it. I know it's not good for your natural nails. It's not. It makes them weaker. It makes them brittle. I usually do, when I take them off, I give my nails several days or a week or so to like get a break, because I don't want to like ruin my nails, but I do know that it does damage your nails, so just keep that in mind if this is something you want to do. If you just do it like once, it shouldn't be that bad, but when you do them over and over and over, it's not the greatest, but I just can't help it. I love them. And then I always like tap my fingers on stuff, and like, I don't know, I just love having nails. I love it. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys go to the salon and get your nails done. Do you paint your nails at home? Do you use these? Do you want to use these? Like, let me know what you guys do for your nails. Leave it in the comments. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.